In this video, I will be showing you how to do sample number 10, which is called a double point dart. From a side view, this is what the dart looks like. So similar to just the regular darts, you'll have a point that goes off the fabric, but instead of the bottom of the triangle or dart being at the edge of the fabric, it's actually going to meet in the middle with the bottom of another dart. And then it forms a shape like that. So, first thing you'll want to do is you will get your paper template like this. You'll cut out the template, and then you need to, using this line as a parallel line, you need to indicate a grain line over here. So you can do that with a ruler here, match up a line here, and then you can see that my dart line is parallel with this black line. So go ahead and mark a grain line for yourself, and then you'll need to get some fabric. Okay, so once you have cut out the main fabric part, then we need to trace the dart shape. So I prefer the pin method, pin pencil method. Again, you can also use the red wax tracing paper, whatever you would like to do best. Okay, so I marked my dart here, here, these two points where they meet in this diamond shape. Then of course the two ends of the triangle. And then I take my pins out. Okay. And now I have okay, so then you should have this diamond shape on your fabric. And the next thing you're going to want to do is fold the fabric in half right on these 2 points. And so what helps the most is trying to get one of these end dots right on the fold line, and then coming in with a pin and really indicating where that ends, and do the same thing on the other side. Put that point right on the end, stick a pin in like that, and then I just want to make sure that I end up with the same shape on both sides. So I'm going to pull the tension now. And just kind of stick a pin in the middle. And I just want to check and see if my line is the same on both sides. Not quite. Okay, now it is. Now I'm doing good. So here is the best method for sewing. Let's head over to the machine. Alright, so when you're ready to begin sewing, similar to just the other darts, when we get to the ends where the tip of the dart, we need to be able to sew right off the fabric and leave extra strings so that we can tie them. So in order to do that, it's kind of, you can't really do that if you start at one end. It's kind of harder to go from being not on the fabric to having the machine go on the fabric. So instead, we're gonna start at the middle point and then go outwards one way and then outwards the other way. So go ahead and line up your pencil line here with this middle line on the foot, and if you should have marked the middle of the diamond with a pin, so you should know exactly where to start. So I'm going to put it there, pull out my pin, and I kind of want to make sure that I'm exactly in the middle, as close as possible. So I'm just going to manually get my pin in there. Okay. And my line is coming out straight. So let's go ahead and, you will backstitch in the middle, but not the ends, remember? Leave them loose so we can tie them. Okay, so I know my pin is where I need to end, so I don't want to end too prematurely. Okay, great. Lift it up. Get some nice length there. All right, half the triangle done. And this top part doesn't matter. And so it's probably easiest to just flip it over so you can basically do the same shape again. Okay, so I know exactly where I need to start. Gonna manually insert my needle. My pencil line is straight with the line on the foot. Alright, so I know I have to come off right here. I don't want to do it in the wrong spot. Okay. Get some length. Alright. So that right there is the double dart. And you'll finish off by manually knotting these two strings similar to the other dart, and just make sure to do it on both sides. You know, just a simple knot twice, and that is the double point dart.